Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a no contact or no communication reading for all the Libra Sun Moon Venus rising for the rest of the month of November 2025 from today. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start, honey. Libra. This can be anybody. This no contact person can be anyone. It can be a lover, it can be a family member, it can be a friend, it can be anyone that comes to your mind while watching this video. Okay, and if it is not a romantic partner, remove the romantic angle. Okay, use common sense and brain, honey. A lot of people don't do that because common sense is not so common these days. Anyways, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. We have Ten of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, Page of Swords, bottom of the deck is the Seven of Cups here. Okay, so this is like this person is feeling like they should drop this burdensome and heavy energy because the more they're thinking about the situation between you and them, the more it's weighing them down. So they feel like right now, for the timing, they should let it go because it's too much to handle, too much pressure, too much stressful energies, and too much of draining energies. And they feel like let's surrender to the divine, let the universe do its job. Whenever it's supposed to happen between you and them, whatever is supposed to happen between you and them is going to eventually happen. So they feel like keeping themselves at a safe distance from the situation and watching you, like literally stalking you online, literally watching you, what you are up to, what you are doing, maybe through fake accounts. But this person is feeling like they should just watch you from a distance, stalk you from a distance online, gather all the information about you, and physically they feel like letting this go at least for the time being. Then the bottom of the deck is the Seven of Cups. There's a lot of emotional confusion. They're not able to understand what they actually feel for you, what they actually want from you. And they are feeling overwhelmed because they don't know what is happening in your life, what you feel for them, and actually what they feel for you. And at the same time, this person is feeling that they should distract themselves with multiple things, multiple people, multiple situations, so that it can help them to move forward in their life. Okay, this is what they feel right now. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Four of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Wands. You know, deep inside somewhere, there's this energy of wanting to have a brand new beginning with you, even if it is just a friendship kind of a deal. But on a surface level, or you can say consciously, this person wants to hold on to this energy of I should not open up, I should not express myself, I should never talk to Libra. You know, they just don't want to put in the effort and energy from their side in this direction because they're not sure what your reaction is going to be, how this situation is going to unfold, how many obstacles and challenges they have to face. So they want to keep this desire of wanting to open up or wanting to um, have this brand new beginning with you within themselves. They don't want to express, they don't want to say anything about it, they don't want to do anything about it. They just want to keep their thoughts and keep their energies to themselves, and they want to work on the overthinking. Though they want to come out of this mental jail, this stress that they're continuously living in about the situation, the overthinking, the stress, and this energy of why the hell am I still feeling for Libra, why the hell I still want to be with Libra when everything is fucked up and messed up, why the hell I want this, why the hell I want that. That is the thing here. So they want to suppress their desire to reconnect with you and to have a brand new beginning with you. Deep down, they want it, but they want to suppress it on a conscious level because they don't understand shit about the situation. They are so overwhelmed with their mind. Their mind is creating stories, scenarios, and everything negative. about the situation. That's why they just don't want to do anything about it. They want to keep their desire to themselves, like, okay, I'm going to die with this desire of mine. I'm going to take it to my grave. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of November 2025. We have the Temperance, Five of Pentacles, Ten of Swords. They are going through a lot. I'm telling you, this person is going through a lot emotionally and mentally. And they're so stressed out. It's not even funny. I can't explain in words the stressed out feelings, the feeling left out in the cold kind of energy, feeling like a victim kind of energy. It's so overwhelming. They're trying to be at peace. They're trying not to explode. They're trying not to do something stupid with their life. They're trying to be extremely patient with themselves, healing themselves, taking care of themselves, taking care of their emotions, taking care of their emotional and mental health. Right now, they are just so messed up that they can't think straight, especially about this situation. Plus, their own interpersonal battle is kind of keeping them up at night all the time, and they're not able to understand what they should do in order to be at peace in their life. Honestly speaking, Libra, this person wants to communicate with you. This person wants to sort it out with you, at least have a proper apology, communication, a proper closure or something. But they are not able to do that, and they don't want to because of the overthinking, the negative mindset. As of now, the right now they're super focused on the negatives of the situation. Even if they're trying to think positive about it, they are not able to do that. Again, it's weighing them down. It's stressful, it's draining, and they can't think anything positive about the situation whatsoever. In fact, right now they're not even in the blame game kind of a thing. Right now they are in this energy of, I just want to be at peace with myself. I don't want to deal with this shit in my life anymore. This is so stressful. They might be going through something else also, apart from this situation. If this is something that happened recently, by recent means like maximum 5 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks, this is stressing the hell out of them like crazy. If this is something that happens like maybe 10 months ago, or 8 to 10 months ago, or beyond that, then they still have the stressful energy regarding the situation, but then other things are also making this person's life little bit more difficult to handle. So I don't think so. They are super focused on making things work out between you and them as of now. They're super focused on how to be at peace within themselves, because of the bit like they're feeling defeated by life itself. They're feeling left out in the cold and like a victim right now. So they're trying to figure out how to be at peace, how to make sense of all of this. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Cups. They still have those kind of emotions where they want to properly talk to you, properly and honestly talk to you. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so this is the deal. So I had to take a short break while making this video. Something came up and I forgot completely what I was saying. So this is the part till this point. Now let's see the guidance, honey. Libra. We have the Eight of Cups and the Strength card, the Fool. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Swords. You're hurt. You're hurt and you're heartbroken. What is happening, my love? See, Libra, this is going to take you a lot of strength and courage to walk away from this particular person or situation and never look back. But this is the only thing that can save you from another heartbreak and another hurtful situation in your life. This is the time for you to take the leap of faith with the universe, trust the divine, trust the process, that whatever is actually happening for your highest good. It's not a punishment. Uh, it's not a punishment actually. It's like a divine protection at play right now, Libra. Something is not working out, someone is not calling you back, someone is leaving you behind. All of these things happen to us so that we can grow as a soul, so that we can move to the next chapter of our life. But 90% people try to keep themselves in victim mode, blame game, pity, self pity, and this energy of no, 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 I love them, I love them. You guys don't know the meaning of love at all. Okay, so this is high time for you guys to understand that no matter how hard it is for you guys to let it go and never look back, this is what you guys have to do at the end of the day. It's going to be painful, it's going to take a lot out of you, but this is how you are going to grow and start a new journey. And this is how you are going to heal from the pain, from the heartbreak that you keep on inviting in your life again and again and again. I might sound very harsh to you sometimes, but trust me, I'm one of those friends who hurt you because they love you, right? Because they genuinely love you. So this is what I have for you, Libra. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation. Maybe it's going to give you a little bit more clarity or something that you need to hear right now. Not something that you want to hear, that you but something that you need to hear right now. There's a difference. Okay, so you can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, let's see. So the answer to your question related to this situation is get more information. This mic sucks. I hate this mic. So let me explain from the guidebook, get more information. Where's the, wow. Yep. This card can function not just general suggestion that more information will help guide your decisions, but also as a warning that people or situations might not be as they initially seem. Seek to learn more about your present circumstances. Okay, this is what the answer is for you guys. I hope this helps. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.